हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। मेरा नाम है चैतन्य और आज हम देखने वाले एमसीक्यूज ऑन डीएसपी, दैट इज डिजिटल सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग। ओके, एंड हियर इज अ पार्ट 3। सो चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज अ कंटिन्यूस इमेज इज डाइजेस्टेड एट डैश पॉइंट्स एंड ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए रैंडम, ऑप्शन बी वर्टेक्स, ऑप्शन सी contour, and option D sampling. So this is the options and the correct answer is option number D sampling. Question number 2 is the transition between continuous values of the image function and its digital equivalent is called as option number A quantization, option number B sampling, option number C rasterization, and option number D none of the mention. And the answer is option number A quantization. Okay. Now question number 3 is image quantized with insufficient brightness level with lead to the occurrence of dash. And options are option number A pixelation, option number B blurring, option number C false counters, and option number D none of the mention. And answer is option number C false counters. The second slide and the question number 4 is the smallest discernible change in intensity level is called dash. And options option number A intensity resolution, option number B contour, option number C saturation, and option number D contrast. And answer is option number A intensity resolution. Question number 5, what is the tool used in tasks such as zooming, shrinking, rotating, etc.? And options are option number A sampling, option number B interpolation, option number C filters, and option number D none of the mention. Here the answer is option number B interpolation. Question number 6 is the type of interpolation where for each new location the intensity of the immediate pixel is assigned as. And options are option number A bicubic interpolation, option number B cubic interpolation, option number C bilinear interpolation, and option number D nearest neighbor interpolation. Yes, and answer is option number D nearest neighbor interpolation. Question number 7 is dynamic range of imaging system is a ratio where the upper limit is determined by, and options are option number A saturation, option number B noise, option number C brightness, and option number D contrast. And the correct answer is option number A saturation. Now the eighth question is the type of interpolation where the intensity of 4 neighboring pixel is used to obtain intensity a new location is called. And options are cubic interpolation, option number B nearest neighbor interpolation, option number C bilinear interpolation, and option number D bicubic interpolation. And here the answer is option number B. Where is my pen? Here. And option number B is the answer, nearest neighbor interpolation. Sorry, कुत्ते भौंकने की आवाज़ आ रही है. I'm sorry for that. Just ignore it. Now the question number 9 is for dynamic range ratio the lower limit is determined by, and options are option number A saturation, option number B brightness, option number C noise, and option number D contrast. And from the option the answer is option number C noise. Question number 10 is quantitatively spatial resolution cannot be represented in which of the following ways? And options are option number A line pairs, option number B pixels, option number C dots, and option number D none of the mention. And here the correct answer is option number D none of the mention. There is no answer between these options. Question number 11 is the most familiar single sensor used for image acquisition is, and options option number A just micro densitometer, option number B photodiode, option number C CMOS, and option number D none of the mention. Answer is option number B photodiode. The 12th question is the difference is intensity between the highest and the lowest intensity levels is an image is dash. And options option number A noise, option number B saturation, option number C contrast, and option number D brightness. And answer is option number C contrast. Question number 13 is dash is the effect caused by the use of an insufficient number of intensity levels in the smooth area of a digital image. Option number A Gaussian smooth, option number B contouring, option number C false contouring, and option number D interpolation. This is the option, and the correct answer is option number C false contouring. Question number 14 is the process of using known data to estimate values at known location is called. And options are option A acquisition, option number B interpolation, option number C pixelation, option number D none of the mention. And the correct answer is option number B interpolation. Yeah, correct. Question number 15 is the procedure done on a digital image to alter the values of its individual pixel is. And here are the options. Option A neighborhood operations, option number B image registration, option number C geometric spatial transformation, and option number D single pixel operation. And the correct answer is the single pixel operation. This is the correct answer. Now in the fifth slide, the 16th question is wavelength and frequency are related as, where the c is equal to speed of light. Here is saying. Now the options are c is equal to wavelength upon frequency. Option B is frequency is equal to wavelength upon c. Option C is wavelength is equal to c into frequency, and option number D is c is equal to wavelength into frequency. Yes. Now the answer is option number D, c is equal to wavelength into frequency. This is the correct answer. चारों ऑप्शन सेम है, सो थोड़ा ध्यान में रख के करना. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 इज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स कैन बी विजुअलाइज एज ए. ऑप्शन नंबर ए साइन वेव, ऑप्शन नंबर बी कोसाइन वेव, option number C tangential wave, and option number D none of the mention. Yes, and answer is option number A sine wave. Now the question number 18 is massless particle containing a certain amount of energy is called. Yes, and options, option number A photon, option B shell, option C electron, and option number D none of the mention. Okay, and the answer is option number A photon. Now the last slide and the 19th question is imaging system have special physical artifacts embedded in the imaging sensor produce a set of points called, and options are tie points, option B control points, option C receive marks, and option number D none of the mention. Yes, and the correct answer is option number C receive marks. Now the last question is 20th question is image processing approach operating directly on pixels of input image work directly in dash. And options, option number A transform domain, option number B spatial domain, and option number C inverse transformation, and last one is none of the mention. And the correct answer is option number B spatial domain. Yes. Now here we complete 20 questions. Okay, so request me in the comment section, I will definitely give you. Okay, so तब तक के लिए thank you so much.